Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by turning Talkback on and granting necessary permissions so it can speak and respond. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then select Talkback, enable the toggle now. When the system asks for microphone or storage access, allow it so gestures and contextual hints work. Make sure to accept the Talkback shortcut. This gives you quick-on/off control. Once done, you'll hear immediate audio feedback. That confirms Talkback is active and listening for your gestures. Now you'll learn the core gestures and why they matter. Swipe right or left to move the spoken focus between screen elements. This replaces single taps for sighted users. Double tap anywhere to activate the focused item. That's how you open apps and press buttons. Use two-finger scroll to move through long lists or web pages and explore by touch to hear labels before you act. Practice these in settings until the timing and rhythm feel natural. It reduces accidental activations. Finish by customizing Talkback so it fits your workflow and speeds up actions. Open Talkback settings to change speech rate, verbosity, and vibration feedback. Slower speech helps learning, faster saves time later. Add a Braille keyboard or tweak reading preferences for text and punctuation if you need finer control. If Talkback becomes unresponsive, restart the phone, verify accessibility permissions, or reset Talkback settings. That one troubleshooting step, restart first, resolves most issues quickly and gets you back to using gestures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.